Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. Man. Today's episode, well, I'm gonna unbox this, hair clipper from Kemei. The model number, it's difficult to read. I guess 1699. I guess so. I don't. 1699. So I'm gonna write it here, so I know I won't make a mistake. And it's written got 5 volt. I mean the motor got 5 volt, just like TPOB, and got 9,000 RPM. That's a lot, really a lot. And what else? Got a ceramic cutter blade and stainless steel fade blade. Okay. What else? 3,000 milliamp battery. Charging time 3 hours. Operating time 180 minutes. Oh, it's not bad. Got 8 watts. Okay. No charging dock. I don't know what. The box is simple, just the normal Kemei style. So it's just like this. And inside comes with a manual. Okay. And this one out. Okay. Comes with a 2 cam follower, as you can see. USB-C charging. It's good. Okay, oil. This time I got oil, which is really good, simply because I got this from Temu. No, I got this one from Shine. That's why. Okay. What else? Little brush and some guide combs. Okay. Yeah, these are the guide combs, as you can see.
Muss nur für einen Kollege Video machen. Okay.
And this is the hair clipper. Looks nice, and it reminds me of the older version of Kemei, like Kemei 2010. It was my favorite. And this one comes with a fade blade. So it's a fade blade and a blue ceramic cutter blade, as you can see. Blue one. And here you got the LCD. Okay. Yeah, USB-C charging. It comes with a clicking lever. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicks, which is good. And this is the range. Okay, not much, but it's okay. Sound check. It's not bad, it's really good. Okay. Okay, this is the blade. And this is not a brushless motor. It's just normal rotary motor, in case if maybe you want to know.